Hi everyone, thanks for joining. Today we're going to be taking a look at the best scheduling software specifically for cleaning businesses. Now, if you run a cleaning business, you already know that scheduling is everything. And you can have the best cleaners, the best customer service, competitive pricing, but if your scheduling falls apart, so does your business and your reputation. Now, things like double bookings, missed reminders, cleaners not showing up at the right place or at the right time, or worse, not showing up at all, can be detrimental for your business. Now, I manage schedules extensively and not specifically in the cleaning industry, but I've seen firsthand how quickly things can spiral when you rely on things like WhatsApp groups, manual Excel sheets, and I thought I told her kind of systems. Now, those can work when you're just starting, and don't get me wrong, they could probably progress for quite a while and be supplementary tools. But once your team grows, it becomes chaotic really quickly. And this is why I'm going to walk you through some of the best scheduling software for cleaning businesses. So, whether you're a solo cleaner, whether you're managing hourly teams, or running a multi location operation, this is for you. Now, before we dive into all the details, there are a few things that I will always recommend looking at when choosing a platform or a tool in general. Now, overall, ease of use is super important for me. I like to look for things like drag and drop scheduling, things like overbooking or double booking alerts, recurring job automation, things like shift swaps, all those kinds of things are super important. I also want a really good mobile app. My team's in the field, they are not behind a laptop or a PC, and this is where it's really important. You want to be able to check schedules, clock in and out, get job details, look at everything within a mobile phone. Now, there are additional things like payments, invoicing, that kind of thing that are really great value adds to have in a tool like this, as well as things like communication. I try avoid dispersed communication across a number of channels. For me, it just keeps everything in one place and it's a good way to manage it. Also, look for tools that can scale as you do. This is super important for me. If it's a tool that can start out small and grow as your needs do, that's probably going to stand you in really good stead for the future. Now, let's take a look at some of my favorite tools. Okay, starting at number one is Jobber. Now, this is probably one of the better tools for, I would say, smaller cleaning teams. They're pretty popular tool, but it's a pretty strong all-in-one option. So that is something that they really do pride themselves on. So they've got things like not just scheduling, but also integrated CRM, things like invoicing, booking, everything all within one tool. And that's what I really liked about this is that where possible, I try to avoid disparate tools. Really important for me. I don't want to have to use multiple tools for the same thing. Now, if I can have a single tool that can manage things like my customer relationship management, so my CRM, if it can do scheduling, invoicing, everything for me, that's probably one of the first prizes when it comes to software. Now, they have specifically bought this tool for different industries. Now, I quite like this because they kind of are really configured for things like the cleaning industry, as well as other service-based industries, which I quite like. So for me, that is a huge plus here because it's really built for that industry. Now, one of the things I like most is that the scheduling interface is really nice and clean. It's easy to navigate. Assigning jobs feels smooth from start to finish, and that is something that's really important for me. I don't like clunky or outdated apps that kind of feel like it's a bit tricky to get around the option. Now, some of the standout features for me, definitely recurring job automations. I really like that for me. No duplicate entries, no manual re-adding of weekly clients, all done within the tool itself. I also really like things like automated customer notifications. So super important for me. Clients get things like, oh, I'm on my way, kind of text from within the app, reminders, updates, everything like that. All those kinds of small touches are really important and they really do help go a long way in improving professionalism. Now, aside from that, they also have fantastic templates for quotes and invoices. So this is something that I quite liked as well. Once you've got your online request, you can go and issue then a professional looking invoice from within the tool. I like that you don't have to use a different tool to manage this, so super important for me. So really a good option for an all-in-one tool to have a look at. Now, the only limitations for when I've looked and actually tried out this tool is the pricing is a little bit expensive, especially once you've started to add things like adding users or upgrading plans. So having a look at the plan itself, quite pricey for a starter one user plan to get up and running with. So something for me that's important to look at is if I start adding users, it can become really expensive really quickly. So if your budget's tight and you're expecting to scale quite quickly, I would keep that in mind. Probably best for small teams that want something a little bit intuitive and quite polished. Now, next on our list here is Homebase. One of my favorite tools to use. I do come back to this quite often because it is really easy to use for scheduling. Now, if your cleaning business relies heavily on hourly staff, Homebase is very strong. So keep that in mind that this is one of the areas I would say they really excel in terms of hourly teams. Built specifically for shift-based teams. And what I like about it is you can even see here from the interface itself, it's really intuitive. You don't need to be really tech savvy to get going with the platform. You can manage your schedule, track time, see shifts. You can manage clock-ins. What I quite like with this, especially for cleaning teams, is that you can do shift swaps within the tool itself. Really, really handy to have. And you could kind of go from scheduling to tracking time to automated wage calculations all the way through to paying your team. I quite like having that in one place because it does reduce errors. And I know as someone who recons timesheets and needs to sum it up and send out invoices, this can get really time consuming. So I do like a tool that kind of handles all of that for me from within the app. Super simple and easy to use from there. So automated wage calculations are a big benefit here. Also, you'll get a really nice overview of each of your employees, the expected wage calculations for that period. You also get things like reminders if there's individuals who are overbooked or that exceed labor law regulations and that kind of thing. So really handy. Another one to mention is they've got a really good mobile app. So really great to have something that's pretty solid and pretty easy to use here. Now, I do want to mention that they do have add-on options that you can use. So again, a good option if you are a scaling business and you may need additional functionality later down the line, you do have to pay for add-ons. So do keep that in mind. But a lot of these are AI powered, which is really quite cool. So I would recommend having a look at that. Now, in terms of the pricing, really reasonable, and they do have a free plan for up to one location. So really good options to have a look at. And they've got different pricing if you do want to include payroll as part of that. And as mentioned, if you are using it without payroll, they do have a free plan. And it's a good way to kind of get a good idea of how the app works and if it may suit your needs. Now, I do want to say it's not specifically built around customer booking workflow. So if that is something really important for you and you are looking for something that can handle online bookings for customers, you may need to look at other integrations or potentially another tool. So all in all, really great app. I'd say probably best for cleaning businesses with hourly teams that need something like a really strong payroll integration and really easy scheduling. Now, next on our list is Housecall Pro. Again, really, really fantastic option to have a look at. So if online booking is important for your business, I would say Housecall Pro probably stands out. It's really specifically built for service-based industries. And they do have a lot of these available. I would recommend going and having a look if you are in the service-based industry itself. What I've done is selected the cleaning business software side of things. So taking a look at that specifically built for the cleaning business, they've configured the the module around that, which is really great. Now, some of the standout features for me is that the customer self-booking is probably one of the more important functionalities if this is something that you need. So clients can book directly, and then you can just dispatch staff based on availability. I quite like this because it does avoid things like back and forth queries and messages and that kind of thing. You kind of keep everything within the same tool, which is obviously a common theme for me. Really important to have that. Aside from that, I do also like that they've got payments included here. So you've got your invoicing software. You can monitor your invoicing. They actually do have a lot of reporting that comes with the tool. So that is quite important. So things like forecast performance, tracking profitability, if that's important for you, this is probably a really strong option to have a look at. Now, in terms of limitations, I do find them, again, slightly on the pricey side, and you would have to go and find your plan. So specifically, if you are doing this per user, I would recommend taking a look and finding a plan that suits your needs specifically, but starting at around about $59 per month for one user, and then it goes all the way up to 8+ users. So probably worth taking a look at if this is something that you're interested in, and a really good option for small cleaning businesses that want something that is streamlined for online booking. Now, next on our list here is Square, and this is probably one of the stronger options for integrated payments. So Square is great if you are a solo cleaner or a really small team. They really are focused on simplicity, but I do want to say that when I've had a look at them in the past, they really are built specifically around the payment side of things. So they've got their own built, because they're built in, but like their own POS system. And this is something that is really great to have if you are looking for that. So with Square, you can go and then take your device with you, which makes it quite handy if you are in that kind of space. And your customers can pay literally on the spot. So really great, simple option to have a look at. Now, biggest strength for me is probably on the payment side. So having customers booking online, paying, accepting payments via POS, really, really handy to have that. Now, in terms of the standout features, I would say that they've got an easy booking widget set up. So it sounds a little bit more advanced than it is. But what's quite nice is if you do not have that built into a tool or something that you're using currently, you can actually make use of their one within the app itself, and you can embed the widget directly onto your site, which is awesome. So overall, really quite a handy tool to use. It is more on the simple side of things. So I would just say that if you are looking for something that's really customizable and super scalable, probably not the best for you if you are a larger team. But overall, really, really strong for small businesses that want something super simple and something with easy payment collection options. Now, last on our list is ServiceTitan. Now, ServiceTitan is really built for bigger cleaning companies and probably best for those that have multiple teams across multiple locations. So they are kind of like a more serious operational software, very much enterprise level. They do handle commercial and residential. So if you are looking at growing in the future into something that is kind of at a commercial level, a good option to have a look at. Now, in terms of the standout features, advanced dispatching automation, so things like dispatching your teams, it goes right to the right location at the right time. So really, really strong in terms of dispatch management. Another of the really cool features that I quite liked is that they've got live team tracking visibility. So that's really handy. So if you're not too sure where your crews are at any one time, you would be able to see that within the app. I quite like that. The mobile app is also really strong. And they've also got things like analytics, reporting, job costing and budgeting dashboards. So really, really strong in the way of that. And here's a quick overview of their tech tracking. So you can actually see where your teams are dispatched within the field. Super handy to have this, especially if you have multiple managers across different teams or different locations who need a quick overview of where their teams are sitting in terms of real time. Then, as mentioned, their job costing budgeting dashboard's quite strong. So if your team are needing real-time KPIs, this is probably a better fit for you and the team. Now, I do want to say, though, although they've got really great features and it really is enterprise level, it can be quite complex. Your team's probably going to require a bit of onboarding and a bit of implementation and probably a bit of training to get to grips with the platform. So really great for enterprise or multi-team cleaning companies. But if you're a smaller team, this is probably going to be a bit of overkill for you. Now, in closing, the best advice is the best scheduling software ultimately depends on your budget, your team size, whether you need additional things like payroll, payments, advanced reporting, that'll all come down to what is best for your business. My biggest piece of advice, though, is to take advantage of the free trials. So do have a look. A lot of the tools that I have reviewed in the past, and some of these ones like ServiceTitan, don't actually have transparent pricing, which is a pet peeve of mine. But wherever possible, have a look at the demo, register for that, register for the free trial. I always recommend trying before buying. Super important to get a bit of a good look at the system before making a decision. Thanks for joining today.